In this video, I'll show you how to create custom worksheets for kids in Canva so you can design fun, engaging activities in minutes. First, go to canva.com and log in. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. For printable worksheets, it's best to use standard paper size. Switch the unit to inches and enter 8.5x 11 inches. Then click Create New Design. This gives you a full page worksheet ready for printing. Now add a clear title at the top. Click Text on the left. Add a heading and type something like Circle the animals that start with H. Make the font big, bold and easy to read. Next, add instructions below the title using smaller body text. Keep it simple and child-friendly. Now go to Elements and search for what you need, like animals, numbers, letters, shapes, or math symbols. Choose simple, clear graphics without the crown icon if you're using the free version. Drag them onto the page and spread them out with enough space for kids to write, circle, or draw. You can add lines by searching line in Elements if you want fill in the blank sections. For tracing worksheets, use a dotted or thin font and lower the transparency slightly. To make it more fun, change the background to a soft pastel color. Just click the blank background and choose a light shade so it doesn't distract from the content. If you want it to look more polished, add a simple border by searching Border in Elements and resizing it around the page. Once you're done, click Share, then Download and choose PDF print for high quality results. And that's it. That's how you create custom worksheets for kids in Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy design tutorials.